messy. Let the O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop and Bucket System help you get a deep clean easier than ever before. Its innovative hands-free ringing system lets you ring your mop with only the push of a pedal. The 100% microfiber mop head gets rid of all that dirt and grime. Whether you're short or tall, the handle adjusts from 33 to 51 inches. Great for all hard floor surfaces. To keep neat and tidy, the splash guard keeps potential splash and spray inside the bucket when ringing. The pivoting head allows you to get around and under furniture. Clean the hard-to-reach corners with ease with the unique triangular-shaped head. The Easy Ring Spin Mop from O-Cedar. Give it a whirl. O-Cedar makes your life easier.
Wholesale's professional microfiber mop will make the dreaded chore of cleaning your floors quick and easy. Designed by cleaning professionals, it efficiently leaves floors sparkling without a mop bucket or harsh chemicals. Now it's available to you so you can quickly clean your hardwood, laminate, tile, and stone flooring like a pro. Microfiber Wholesale's mop will truly make your life easier. Microfiber cleans more effectively than old, outdated cleaning methods, and our microfiber cleans better than other brands. In just a few minutes, you can clean your floors and move on to the more important things in your life. Each mop includes one of our Mojave microfiber dust mops. Quickly gather up all of the dust and dirt that collects on your floors with ease. When you need a deeper clean, use our premium microfiber wet mop pads. 2 are included. All you need is water. Mops pads are machine washable and will last hundreds of washings, so you can eliminate the need for costly disposable cleaners like Swiffer. Now you can clean any hard flooring surface deeper, more quickly, and with no hassle whatsoever. Join the tens of thousands of satisfied Amazon customers who are cleaning like pros. Order yours today.
Concentrated steam cleans your floors and helps take care of tough spots, dried up messes, and stuck-on stains. All without chemicals. That makes mopping easy, fast, and less of a chore. Say goodbye to long drying times. The Genius Mop Head's advanced maneuverability gives you incredible under and around furniture reach. And the Steam Blaster technology tackles stuck-on stains and messes with a simple flip of the mop head. Steam is the perfect way to clean your sealed hard floors.